Hello boys and girls and welcome to the Gaming Legends. Today what we're making this tutorial on how to make a Bukkit server for 1.7.4. Basically there's going to be a couple of these on my channel. Just type in the comments whatever you want me to try and do, because I'm not the most sort of IT efficient sort of person. I do know bits and pieces on how to make things, but anyway, let's just get into it. Alright, first thing you want to do, you have to get this right here. It's craftbukkit.jar. When you download it, what it has like dash 150 something or other, but you want to get rid of that once you download it, so it's just craftbukkit.jar. So I'll show you where to download it from. Just don't mind that. Alright, so you got a new window, so what you do, you just type into your Google, you go craft buckets, just type in craft bucket, and you just click on the first one, and then up will pop a heap of like development builds and beta builds. They haven't quite made a recommended build yet, but I think they're almost done with it, seeing that they've now made the beta builds. But that one's it's broken. Alright, so just download the one at the top. Don't go for the beta build, just go for the development build. So just click on that, and it should pop up down here. I'm using Chrome, so I just click keep. It might take a while. So anyway, so I've downloaded that, and see how it says dash 1.7.2 dash ro something rather .jar. So you want to change that to craftbukkit.jar. Now this is the 1.7.2 one, which also works for the 1.7.4 client. So what you want to do, you want to make a folder that just says like, I don't know, like server or buckets server, whatever you want it to be. So I'm just going to call it bucket server. So what you got to do, you got to drag that into there. Alright, we'll just put that up here, and then you got to make a, I'll just show you how to do this. So you got to, I'll just make a new, search up in text edit. So you search up text edit right there, and you open it up. Just click new document. Alright, so what you got to do, you got to click format, then you got to go make plain text. Alright, then you get this out of the description of the video. You just copy that and you paste it into this. Alright, and your file, save, and just call it startup.command. Now you want it's got to be .command, so that will run. So like if you use Windows, it's .bat, but .command, it's just so it starts it up. I'm not sure how it fully works. So just save it to your desktop, click save, and it should be, hold on. Just because I've got another one on my screen. Alright, so it's gone like that. I'll just move that out. Oops, I'll just get that out of the way. Alright, so we got the startup.command. So what you gotta do, you gotta open up a new terminal window. Alright, just let it load a little bit. Alright, so what you gotta do, you gotta go chmod, so chmod space a plus x, and then space. You gotta remember that space at the end, because otherwise it won't work. Alright, so now you just drag that into there and just press enter. And then you're done, basically. So now you just drag this into your Bukkit server folder, and then you just double click on it, and it'll just say loading libraries, please wait. It might take 1 or 2 minutes, depends on your computer. You want to have at least 4 gigs of RAM on your computer, because if you only have about 1, then it'll be very laggy. But if you're really lucky, like my mate, he's got a 32 gig PC, so he just runs a massive server off of there, but it's down at the moment, so for renovations, me and him are working on it. So yeah, alright, so that's done. So we'll just, no, you want to write stop down the bottom, just right there, and just click enter, and it'll go saving chance and shit, and then it will just exit out of it. And what you want to do, you got this thing called plugins, right? So you want to go to craftbukkit, you go back to Bukkit, alright, so you click get plugins, oh, it's changed a bit. Alright, so you can scroll through. Probably the main one you want is essentials. So search out. I think this is the one. Takes a while to load. Yep, this is the one. So I'll put the link in the description for the essentials as well, because you want to get the essentials, because otherwise it's really difficult, unless you want just a vanilla server for you and your mates just to play on, then go right ahead. But yeah, just, you know. Alright, so you can scroll down a bit and you can look. Don't know if they got a command thing. No, it doesn't appear to be. So just click download, and then once you've downloaded it, all you need to do is just open up I think it's a zip file. You just open up the zip file if it is, and then just drag the jar files into your plugins folder right here, and then you just stop your server, then restart it again, and they all load. And yeah, if you have any more questions, leave the comments down below, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped you. If it didn't, well, too bad. Tried my best. Peace.